If you're pursuing a lucrative career in accounting, you've no doubt heard about the CMA and the CIA certifications, both of which can help you grow as a professional. But which one is better for you? I'll help you answer that question today. In this episode, I'll compare the CMA versus the CIA certifications, break down the cost and prerequisites for each one, and discuss the career paths they're best suited for. Either of these can enhance your credibility, and both can have a significant impact on your career path and earning potential. Obtaining either one takes a large investment of time and money, so it's smart to really understand the benefits and costs of each before committing to one. Hi, I'm Nathan Liao, and I've helped over 37,000 people study for the CMA exam, and my mission is to help you accelerate your career and income to a six-figure salary as a certified management accountant. Let's start with a quick summary of what each certification is and what it will allow you to do. The Certified Management Accountant, or CMA certification, is offered by the Institute of Management Accountants. CMAs have strong management as well as financial accounting knowledge, which gives them the skills to help their companies plan, analyze, and make decisions about their finances. It is the only globally recognized management accounting certification. In order to obtain a CMA, candidates like you must, number one, have a bachelor's degree or a professional accounting certification, such as an MBA or CPA. Number two, have at least 2 years of qualifying work experience in management accounting or financial management. And number three, successfully complete parts 1 and 2 of the CMA exam. Note that your work experience does not have to be completed before you take the exam. You have up to 7 years after taking the exam to meet the work requirement to be awarded this certification. Candidates who pass the exam must also agree to meet continuing education requirements and also comply with standards of professional conduct and ethics. The Certified Internal Auditor, or CIA certification, as the name implies, qualifies you to conduct internal audits. It is granted by the Institute of Internal Auditors and is the only globally recognized internal audit certification. The requirements for the CIA certificate are somewhat more flexible than the CMA. You still need some internal accounting experience before you're awarded the certification, but the exact amount depends on your level of education. Experience can include internal audit, quality assurance, risk management, compliance, external audit, and internal control work also qualifies. So based on what I've shared so far with you, would you want to work in audit or management? Let me know in the comments so we can have a conversation. I would love to hear your thoughts. The CMA and the CIA exams both require investments of time and money. While the cost is arguably the least important factor in deciding which exam to take, it's still helpful to know what to expect so you can budget accordingly. The total cost to take the CMA exam is $1,200 for professional members and $900 for students. Note that these fees are in addition to a membership fee of $275 for professionals and $45 for students. The cost of the CIA exam is $855 for members, $1,315 for non-members, and $950 for students. Additionally, there's a membership fee of $255 for professionals and $40 for students. In both instances, there's an added cost of study materials to take into account, and prices vary widely, so do your research. The CMA and CIA exams require you to demonstrate in-depth knowledge and proficiency on a variety of subjects. It's important to know what you expect so that you can prepare appropriately. The CMA exam consists of 2 tests, part 1 and 2, covering a total of 12 competencies. Each part takes 4 hours and consists of 100 multiple choice questions and 2 essay questions. Part 1 goes over financial planning, performance, and analytics, and includes the following competencies. Number 1, external financial reporting decisions. Number 2, planning, budgeting, and forecasting. Number 3, performance management. Number 4, cost management. Number 5, internal controls. And number 6, technology and analytics. Part 2, strategic financial management, covers number 1, financial statement analysis. Number 2, corporate finance. Number 3, decision analysis. Number 4, risk management. Number 5, investment decisions. And number 6, professional ethics. The exam is offered 3 times a year, in January, February, May, June, and September and October, with parts 1 and 2 each being offered multiple times within those 3 exam windows. Candidates have the option of taking the test at a testing center or doing them online from a home computer. CMA exam results are posted approximately 6 weeks after the exam month, and both parts need to be successfully completed within 3 years in order to get officially certified. The global pass rate for the CMA averages about 50% for both parts of the test. If you're enjoying this video, hit the subscribe and like button to help reach more people like you to learn more about these 2 certifications. Let's now go over the 3 parts of the CIA exam, each consisting of multiple choice questions only, no essays. Part 1, Essentials of Internal Auditing, covers audit activity, objectivity, and governance concepts. Candidates are also tested on how to identify risks and manage them. There are 125 questions and you have 2.5 hours to complete this part. Part 2, Practice of Internal Auditing, covers audit engagements, fraud, and document and report audits. There are 100 questions and you have 1 hour to complete this part. Part 3, Business Knowledge for Internal Auditing, covers business analysis, informational security, information technology, and financial management. Again, there are 100 questions and you have 1 hour to complete this part as well. Unlike the CMA, you can take the CIA anytime you like, and exam results are posted within 24 to 48 hours. However, if you fail any part, there is a 60-day waiting period before you can try again. In order to get the certification, you need to be successfully completed all parts of the exam within 3 years of enrolling. Globally, the average pass rate for the 3 parts of the CIA exam is about 48%. Now, let's go over salary differences. Ultimately, what you can earn with a CMA or CIA designation will depend on a variety of factors, including your experience, industry, location, and personal goals. But to give you a general idea, here are the average salaries for each certification. According to the IMA's 2020 salary survey, the median total compensation, including salary, bonuses, overtime, profit sharing, etc., for people with CMA designation is $116,000 per year. To put that in perspective, CMA holders earned on average of 36% more than their peers without a CMA. According to PayScale, the average salary for an accountant with a CIA is $90,000 per year. Given that the median salary for accountants and auditors is around $77,000, this suggests that the CIA is worth on average about a 16% boost on your income. I'll do a deep dive into CMA salaries by job title next, but let's go back to the major question of this video first. Which is better, the CMA or the CIA designation? In all honesty, it depends on your interest, your background, and your goals as a professional. It may also depend on where you are in your career right now and whether your background and current commitments make one a better fit for you than the other. If you have a good eye for detail, enjoy working with data, and have a strong regulatory knowledge, in addition to a solid accounting knowledge, the CIA could be a very good fit. If the more strategic and analytical aspects of accounting appeal to you, and if your goals include a more managerial role and a higher salary, or if you simply want more flexibility within your career, the CMA may be a better choice. Personally, I chose to add a CMA to my resume and can vouch that it's helped me earn a higher salary and opened up opportunities I wouldn't otherwise have had. If you decide that the CMA route is the one for you, I strongly suggest taking a preparation course to streamline your study efforts and make sure you're able to get the certification in a timely manner. The same goes for the CIA. To help you pass the exam, download my free CMA exam cheat sheet in PDF format. It's packed with the best 9 strategies to ace the exam on the first try. The download link is in the show notes below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button and get notified when a new video is published, and also hit the like button as well. Are you curious about salary ranges by job title for CMAs? Watch this next video for all the juicy details.